Get my camera. Try not to get the cars in the picture. We're deep in the woods, somewhere in the Ortega Mountains. Not a sign of civilization anywhere. We just found this trail. It looks like an animal trail. There's no water. We haven't had water for 3 days. Hold on. We wait for those mountain lions to go by. Okay. I think we're going to make it. Just looking for a sign of life out here. Nice and peaceful. There's a big rock coming up around over here. Did you go this way before? Look at that tree. How it fell across. Here, climb across it and I'll get you on film. Okay, Brandi. I don't want to carry your ass back to the road right there. Brandi. No, don't. It's too steep. It's like a 30-foot drop. I don't want to have to carry you. Oh. Okay, when you get to the top, see if you can see any life form. Woo! King of the world. Jump. Yeah, climb up that one. Nice New Year's Day adventure.